I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number. First, open Google Chrome and sign out of your current account. Once you see the sign-in page, click the Continue button. Then, click on Gmail at the top right. Select Use another account and then choose Create account and select For myself. Enter your first name and last name, then click Next. Complete the basic information, such as your birthday and gender, and click Next again. Now, create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. If the address you choose is invalid, try a different one until you find one that works, then click Next. Create a strong password and click Next. You'll see an option to add a phone number. Skip to create your Gmail account without a phone number. If you don't see the skip option, you can use a temporary phone number. Search for Receive SMS online in your browser. Find a website that offers temporary phone numbers from various countries. Choose a number and copy it. Paste this number into the phone number field on the Gmail sign-up page. Ensure the temporary number hasn't reached its limit for receiving SMS messages. Once you find a valid number, complete the process by copying and pasting it. That's how you create a Gmail account without using your own phone number. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.